Here comes your next mission. Do you have your license handy? I have good news and bad news. The bad news is the truck from the mines has entered a dead zone for our tracking system on a bridge over the Bering Strait, leaving us blind. The agency tracking system developers have been sacked. The good news is the crew back at HQ bought you a car. Well, they built you a car. Well, it wasn't originally for you, but it is now. Take the car and find that truck. If we can't track it, we need to stop that Kinesium from making it to Dr. Prism's factory. The truck is just up ahead. Prism may not be driving the truck, but she built it, so it won't be like anything you've ever seen. That Kinesium can't arrive at her factory. Find and steal it quietly. I'm in the van in front of you. Don't worry, I only crashed 3 vans when I was a field agent. So you focus on finding the Kinesium on that truck. Oh, the car is in autopilot because the agency has trust issues. You'll have to find a way around it. Some wires. I'll start drafting an apology letter to our autopilot engineers. When you return the car, we'll tell them you found it like that. Oh, well, you are either very strong or that steering wheel was not attached correctly. Could go either way. Now that you've completely bypassed the autopilot, you should have no trouble catching up to the truck. This entire mission is compromised if they know we're here, so get inside that truck without being seen. I'll tap you into their communications.
Which is why the truck drives itself. That's odd.
What's odd, Dr. P?
Nothing, I think. Just a glitch in the system. Ensure the truck and the Kinesium arrive at the factory safely.
Dr. P, I just heard something hit the truck.
More than likely debris. Don't worry. Not even the great Agent Phoenix could access that truck.
The electricity across the rear door dissipated a little. Those fuses must be part of the locking mechanism.
What happens after we kill Agent Phoenix, Dr. P?
After we kill their top agent, the agency will have no choice but to acknowledge your brilliance. And
Dr. P, I'm positive I'm hearing scraping sounds. Do we have rats?
if there are rats, don't let them near the Kinesium. Telekinetic rats are the last thing we need. Actually,
Dr. P, I'm seeing a Kinesium coolant malfunction.
Looks like we don't need to make next year's model fireproof after all.
Our flamethrowers are offline now. I think something's going on out there.
a minor malfunction. Keep the autopilot engaged and ensure the Kinesium is secure.
Dr. P, do you think we'll actually be able to kill Agent Phoenix?
Not a doubt in my mind. Every time we encounter Agent Phoenix, we get stronger. It's simply a matter of time and iteration.
Well, who needs a sunroof when you're stealing Kinesium anyway? Apparently not.
Be a dear and move the Kinesium to the back of the truck. I want it ready when you arrive at the factory.
You're running out of time.
Hello, Phoenix. Figuring out my truck took you long enough. We've been working on upgrades from the moment you and your handler arrived.
My exterior is nearly impenetrable now. You won't crush me with a giant drill.
That's right. Every time you show up, my robots improve. So thanks for your cooperation. I'll take over driving. Go show Agent Phoenix what a real agent looks like. Ooh, I hope they have auto insurance.
And the life insurance!
Handle that robot. I'll go after Prism.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ow, no! Oh, hey! This is kind of comfy. Oh, except I can't shut off my laser, and it's kind of pointed at my Kinesium now, which is going to be stable. That switch blows up the Earth! Careful now. If you cut all my wires, I'll shut down and my laser won't... Oh, that's why you're... Are you using Dr. P's notes I left in there? Aren't they great? Sometimes I look at them because they make me happy. Watch it! That's my favorite dial! Hey, that's the last wire for my power!
Well done, Agent. Unfortunately, I couldn't keep up with Prism in the truck, but I bet that robot has her factory's location stored somewhere. We'll take it back to HQ to poke around a bit. Prism may have gotten away, but we have one of her robots. It has data stored in its, data storage places, so we're in luck. Dr. Prism truly believes she can create a better agent. You'll either prove her wrong, or prove her right. You're dead in that second scenario, in case that wasn't clear.